Welcome to Vagamon. This is our property where we're staying. We reached here around 12:30 in the afternoon. Pretty quick. That was quick ride from Bengaluru. Hope you enjoyed the ride along with me. So we're just going to explore a little waterfall here. Check this out.
By the way, Mahaneet anta.
Namaskara.
Yeah. ಅವರದು ಒಂದು ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್
This is
ಇದೆ.
Akshay.
Hey, hi. So Djmahaneet ಅಂತ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಪಾಪಪ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ, ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
Thank you very much. Oh wow. Beautiful. So this little waterfall we found here in Vagamon. Lot of such waterfalls all across Vagamon. Stay tuned for more exciting stuff to come.
They say Kerala is God's own country. Kerala on Albati, one of the longest shorelines in India, for its farmland beaches and backwaters. Today's name was called beautiful Kerala. Nature often draws me towards it as we explore more of Kerala. Stay tuned. This is Kerala Dairies. And you're watching my channel, Djmahaneet. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, also hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates to all my videos. Also follow me on social media. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet and my Facebook fan page also is Djmahaneet. Today is the 1st of November 2024 and it's a Kannada Rajyotsava. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕನ್ನಡ ರಾಜ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ಹಬ್ಬದ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು.
Well, take care of yourself first. Your health should be your priority. No point of making and amassing all the wealth and all the material things. If you don't have good health, nobody is going to be there for you. Ensure you take care of yourself first. You be the first over everything else. Cheers. Well, we're going for a short ride to fill some fuel and get food. So I'm going to be riding this 1250 GS Trophy. I was just figuring it out, the direction. Is this or is it this? Dude, this is a tour of a room. That's just me here
and that is the view from our room as we exit outside. Check this out. We have the beautiful view of Vagamon.
After a fantastic day here in Vagamon, we're going to wrap up the day and chill for the night. So I'm going to end the log here. Hope you had fun watching as much as I did creating it for you. If you like this content, do give me a thumbs up. Also follow me on social media. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet, and my Facebook fan page also is Djmahaneet. Thank you very much for watching. Hope my message goes out strong and clear to you. Life is short, keep it simple and sweet. Let's smile and spread the happiness, people. See you around on my next one very soon, that is tomorrow. Hope you're enjoying this Kerala series. Tomorrow we have got a couple of more videos coming up in the Kerala series. Stay tuned. Thank you once again. If you like the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also follow me on social media. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet, and my Facebook fan page also is Djmahaneet. Cheers. It's Sayonara and goodbye.
There's something in my heart.